The importance of using positive linking strategies. When it comes to your linking strategies, you want to ensure everything is above board in a legal sense. With the many different theories you can find on the internet, it's imperative to be aware of which ones could possibly cause problems for you. Here are a few basic points to remember when you are considering a linking strategy. Consider the links you want to make with other websites carefully. Remember, it's not the quantity of links located on or pointing to your site that will result in your page rank being in good standing. This is achieved by the quality of the link itself. The links on your site should be considered as part of the resources that you make available to your visitors. Research and apply the different types of linking strategies which are in adherence to the list of guidelines provided by the major search engines. Take note of the effectiveness of naturally linking to your website, continually working to increase it. Avoid any type of program which promises an exorbitant amount of incoming links overnight. It's more likely than not some sort of link scheme which will adversely affect your search engine page ranking. Be aware that any offers to sell you incoming links from any sites with high page ranks is against the rules and guidelines of the major search engines. Taking part in any such action can result in your website being banned from listings for participating in this type of scheme. Avoid using automated linking programs when creating outbound links. In many cases, these types of software prevent the other site from receiving the credit they deserve for the incoming link. How can you tell if this is true or not? Place your cursor over the link and hold it there. Look at the status bar at the bottom of your monitor screen, and if you see their link showing in the display, you found a winner. However, if a longer URL appears, there is no benefit being received by the site you are linking to. Since website links have a direct impact on the value of your search engine listing, the best source of information on how to implement a linking strategy for your website can be found by going directly to the source. Each of the major search engines offers a wealth of information which can help you steer clear of potential problems when it comes to linking to another site.
For more content like this, please visit learnforfree.biz.
Content produced and distributed by AllSuperInfo. All rights reserved.
Discover the proven formula for automated sales and success that you can apply to your business in under 30 minutes.
Reserve your seat at allsuper.info/webinar.